Gilbert, Sullivan, prepare the obstacle course. Sir, are you certain you wouldn't rather have a nice snack? Some crackers, a bit of brie? Crackers, brie? Gilbert, we're here to stretch our legs, to navigate the hazards of the wild. Adventure now, nibbles later.
Yes, sir. It's just that, you see...
Listen, I promise. We won't go anywhere near the vases this time. I should hope not, sir. Come on, chaps. Time's wasting. Chop, chop.
Yes, sir.
Very good, sir. Now, if we're all ready, off we go. Excellent job, sir. I think you bested your previous record. Thank you, Gilbert. I impressed myself as well. So, what's next?
Time to work on your fencing skills, sir.
Ah, yes. Some good old-fashioned swordplay. Minus the sword, of course. And, sir, if you please, not so hard this time.
Great form.
Yes, it was most excellent. Shall we move on to something a little less painful? Wonderful suggestion. Let us continue.
Sounds like a noise, sir.
In the kitchen? Yes, a noise in the kitchen, very helpful. But what's making the noise? Perhaps an intruder.
Yes, an intruder. Perhaps we should investigate. Sir?
Investigate? Yes, investigate. To the kitchen. Locked. Right then. We'll have to find another way in. Follow me, lads.
Yes, sir.
Right behind you, sir.
Sid's the name. And who are you?
Appalled.
Cheers, Paul. Would you look at this place, then? I could get used to this.
Excuse me, I don't mean to be rude, but you're a sewer rat, aren't you?
Nothing rude in calling them like you see 'em, mate. I'm as proud of me heritage as the next rat.
Ghastly.
Charing Cross, actually. Well, now, I think I had a great aunt from Ghastly, though. All right, then. So where can a bloke find a telly around here? The game's just a few days off. Me and you are going to have a great time watching that.
Yes, well, Sid, I expect you've had quite a trip, what with these sewer pipes and the garbage geyser and whatnot. Wouldn't you like a nice soak in the, hot tub first?
Hot tub? Now you're talking, mate. Lead the way. Oh, this is right smashing of you, mate. You're a real gent, you are. That really does look inviting.
Yes, the water's perfect. Nothing like a nice dip after a hard day. Now, you just hop on in and I'll press this lever and get the bubbles going.
Now, hold on a sec. I know I saw a barge in, and I hope we didn't get off on the wrong foot, mate.
Oh, not at all, not at all. In you go.
Oh, you're one of the good ones. See you around, friend. Ah, you plonker! I know a toilet when I see one. You were gonna flush me down the loo.
No, it's a hot tub. Honestly.
Well then, I guess you won't mind if I get the bubbles going, will ya?
No, no, have mercy. I can't swim.
Bon voyage, mate. You might want to hold your nose.
Gilbert, Sullivan,